Shape your next career in healthcare. Kingston International College presents the Diploma in Applied Health Coaching and MedTech, a 12-month, industry-aligned program designed to launch you into Singapore's fastest-growing sector. By 2030, 1 in 4 Singaporeans will be aged 65 and above. The Ministry of Health is rolling out AI-powered predictive care, wearable health monitoring, and the Healthier SG initiative, which has already enrolled 1.3 million residents. Singapore's healthcare system is going fully digital, and it needs a new generation of trained professionals to power it. Applied health coaching is an evidence-based approach that helps patients achieve sustained health improvements through behavioral strategies, motivational guidance, and data-driven interventions. Combined with MedTech, covering wearable monitors, telehealth platforms, electronic medical records, and AI diagnostics, this program trains you to deliver care at the intersection of human connection and technology. The program runs for 12 months. 6 months of institutional training covering classroom learning and simulated practice, followed by 6 months of supervised on-the-job training in real healthcare facilities. That is over 1,000 hours of structured, practical workplace experience, with a monthly training allowance during your industry attachment. The curriculum spans 6 comprehensive modules: healthcare support and clinical foundations, chronic disease management and health coaching, special populations care and integrated health technologies, including AI and traditional Chinese medicine, emergency care and healthcare operations, phlebotomy training, and a full industry attachment at partnering healthcare facilities. This program is co-developed with OneDoc, a leading primary care and digital health provider in Singapore and part of the IAPS Health Group. Students gain hands-on experience with electronic medical records, telemedicine, continuous glucose monitors, and real patient care, under the guidance of experienced physicians like Dr. Eugene Loke. Learn from practitioners who are actively shaping Singapore's healthcare landscape. Dr. Eugene Loke, a family physician and adjunct clinical tutor at the National University of Singapore, recipient of the Dean's Award for Teaching Excellence. Dr. Nigel Lim, an experienced family physician with expertise across multiple specialties. And Christy Ong, a clinical health coach specializing in chronic disease lifestyle interventions. Graduates enter high-demand roles across 5 domains: health coaching at institutions like the National Healthcare Group and Sing Health, digital health and telehealth at private clinics and the Health Promotion Board, community care at polyclinics and elder care centers, wellness and integrative health at TCM clinics and corporate wellness providers, and health education and outreach at NGOs and health tech startups. This diploma is not just a career launchpad. It is a stepping stone to higher education. The program aligns with Singapore's Skills Future framework and offers credit recognition pathways to bachelor's degree programs at partner universities globally. Kingston provides comprehensive academic advising, portfolio development, and application workshops to support your progression. Complete your healthcare diploma in 12 months. Enter the workforce with over 1,000 hours of practical training. Join a program designed by the industry for the industry. Shape your next career. Together. Contact Gary Neo at Kingston International College to begin your application today.